Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a very basic dish, cheesy omelette. Enjoy! Non-stick pan with curved edge works best for this. Prep the eggs. Cook on low heat. Add in butter to coat the pan. Pan is ready when it starts to sizzle. Pour in the eggs. Loosen the eggs from the pan. Keep moving the eggs to the center until it's no more runny. Please, to make our channel grow, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you. Mozzarella cheese or any cheese of choice. White pepper. Parsley. Leave for a couple seconds to melt the cheese. There you have it, perfect cheese omelette. See you in the next video, lovelies. Bye!